In this video, I'm going to show you how to make 3 origami folds that you can use for your radial paper relief sculpture. So the first one is called the hat fold, the second one is the kite fold, and then the third one is the ever so hard samurai fold. So we'll start right over here with the hat fold. So I have a 3" by 3" piece of construction paper here, and the first thing I want to do is I want to take it and I want to fold it in half. Now, when you make folds, you want to make sure that you line up your edge first, fold it down, and then make your crease. That's how you're going to make really nice folds. Now I'm going to take this piece of paper, and you'll notice that there's a fold side and that there's an open side. I want the open side so that it's facing my body, as if my paper was going to eat me. Now, I'm going to take the top part over here, and I'm going to fold it down so it lines up at the bottom and make a crease. So again, it was just up like that, and I folded it down. And then I'm going to take the other side, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. They're just going to meet right there in the middle. And that is the hat fold. Now the kite folds. Kite folds, again, I'm starting with the same piece of square paper. And this time I'm going to fold it in half diagonally. So I'm going corner to corner in this one. So it's like I'm making a triangle. So then when I open it up, I can see that I have a crease right there going down through the middle. Now what I want to do is I want to line up this edge with the crease line. So it can be a little bit tricky if you're not very careful, but I'm going to start folding this up, making sure that I'm lining it up, moving it around. And when I'm sure that it's in the right place, then I make my crease. And I'm going to turn it, and I'm going to do the exact same thing on the opposite side. So that when you're done, it looks kind of like a little sailboat or like a kite. And finally, the samurai fold. For this samurai fold, I'm going to start by folding the paper in half diagonally, corner to corner, to make that triangle. Then I'm going to open it. You can see the horizontal crease right there. I'm going to turn it so now it's a vertical crease, because now I want to fold it in half diagonally the other way and make a crease. Now when I open it up, I see an X on my paper. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to fold the paper in half now, like a rectangle again, just like you would fold a piece of paper if you were making a little card. So you can see that. Once again, I want the open side facing me, and there's 2 ways that you can do this next step. The first way is if you look at it from the top, you're just pushing down this little side panel so it folds in on itself. Like that. And I would do the same thing on the other one, folding it in so that from above it would look like that. Okay. If that is too complicated, you can also just lay it on the table and then open up this fold with your finger and push it in, so then it'll fold in on itself, and do the same thing on the other side. Now, once I have that, I'm going to take this top paper right here, the top fold, and I'm going to fold it over towards the center. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the opposite side and make a hard crease. And that is the hat, kite, and samurai fold.